You hate ads? I hate ads. You know what I like? Patreon.com/inkdependence keeps this blog ad-free. Hello and welcome to inkdependence.com. Today we're taking a look at an unboxing. This is a pen that actually is for my wife, but she's like, Mike, you gotta unbox this thing because she wants to see it and she's at work. So this is a box from Pen Chalet. And yeah, there we go. All right, so inside here, there's a coupon. That's it. All right, so this is a Sailor pen. Audrey is a huge fan of Sailor pens, and this one is a real fancy one that is a North American exclusive. You already know what this guy is. This is the Wicked Witch of the West. Attention, please note the nib on this pen is specially ion plated to give the unique color. Only Sailor ink should be used with this pen to avoid damage to the nib plating. Any damage to the nib caused by the use of other branded inks will not be covered under the Sailor standard warranty. Not a problem. I got Sailor inks for days. All right. So this is the regular size. Yep. This is the Sailor 1911 standard, the S. And as you can see here, it's labeled MF. That is for medium fine, which is Audrey's one of Audrey's preferred nib types. Let's see what we got under here. Forgot to look. So your limited warranty. There's that. This. Converter. Excellent. Couple of ink cartridges. Also great. I'm always glad when they include those things. You need those things. Put all that underneath this here pillow and there we go. Actually, let's put this in here too, because hey, why not? Okay. So this is the Wicked Witch of the West pen. It is a slightly translucent purple barrel with black ion-coated furniture and nib. You can see just a little bit of the interior, some of the interior like springs or something in there through here. So it's just a little bit transparent. I've got a flashlight standing by so we can see the whole transparency of it. But it's actually a very nice grapey purple. I wasn't exactly sure what to expect from this pen because the product shots were kind of all over the place. But these black ion-coated trim rings are very nice. You've got a 14-karat gold nib in here, which is the usual nib for Sailor 1911 standards. But this one is black ion-coated. Look at that. Yep, very pretty. Nice-looking pen, actually. I'm not the biggest fan of purple, as everybody knows, but this is actually very nice. Let's even did the inside of this this bit here, the threads. Nice. You can see that nice grapey purple there, a grimacy purple, some might say. And there's the section, or rather the barrel. You can see some transparency there a little bit. Let's see how much this lights up when you put a light under it. Yeah, there you go. So it is translucent, but it's not terribly like. Take this away and you can tell that it's translucent, but only barely. Let's check out the cap. Yeah, so the cap, there you go. And that bit we were seeing before is the is actually the screw that holds the clip on. There you go. You can actually see it down in there. There you go. This is the Sailor Wicked Witch of the West fountain pen, Sailor 1911 standard. It also comes in large. There's a variety of different nib sizes and that sort of thing for this. And you can find these. Let's see. Is it? Yeah, it's still in stock. She got it from Pen Chalet, where this goes for $220 before any discount, before any extra discounts. There's always discounts at Pen Chalet for various blogs and things like that. So I encourage you to check that out. Maybe they apply. I haven't actually checked, but you can check that out. But yeah, this is actually really pretty. Audrey's gonna like this one, I think, and we'll have some Sailor ink to put in it. I really like this ion-coated clip. That's nice. This furniture looks good. All right, that's it. That's the pen of the witch, in some sense. The Wicked Witch of the West. This is a North American exclusive. If you're outside of North America, you're going to have to order it from inside North America, basically. All right, that's it. I will see y'all later. Peace out.